Remedies presents
How to use vinegar for your plants. Vinegar gets a lot of buzz as a miracle gardening product. Manufacturers claim the product kills weeds, fertilizes the soil, and even combats plant diseases. One of the most common uses of household vinegar is as an all-natural weed killer. Vinegar concentrates make effective organic weed killers with almost immediate results. But when used on those pesky, hard-to-kill weeds, they will disappear in 2 to 3 days' time. The acetic acid of vinegar dissolves the cell membranes, resulting in withering of tissues and death of the plant. While this sounds like a splendid outcome for the plague of weeds invading in your yard, you have to be careful when spraying it around certain plants. Vinegar is an acid and can cause damage to plants, although it probably won't kill flowers. Just the same, use it with caution in the garden. Combine a gallon of white vinegar, 1 cup of salt, and a couple tablespoons of dish soap and spray it over the weeds. Soil pH. To lower the pH level of soil and make it more acidic, vinegar can be applied by hand or using an irrigation system. For a basic treatment, a cup of vinegar can be mixed with a gallon of water and poured over soil with a watering can. Additional garden uses for vinegar. There are several garden uses for vinegar that can be just as good, if not better. Far beyond weed control, here are some more options for how to use vinegar for your plants. To freshen up cut flowers, put 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of sugar to the water in a vase of fresh flowers. Your bouquet will stay fresh much longer. Keep ants at bay by spraying a mix of 1 part vinegar with 1 part water around door and window frames and along other known ant trails. Eliminate calcium buildup on brick or on limestone with half vinegar and half water. Spray on and then just let it set. Clean rust from garden tools by soaking in undiluted vinegar overnight. And finally, don't forget the animals. You can keep cats away from garden or play areas by just sprinkling little vinegar in these areas. Cats hate the smell.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.